Facebook account or page suspended or disabled. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, one of the ways to deal with Facebook account suspended or disabled is to log into your Facebook account. So when you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see the option of appeal or some kind of ban or suspended or disabled, and you'll be able to simply tap on appeal and appeal your decision to unban or disable or enable your Facebook account. Next, what you can do is simply launch the Chrome browser on your device and tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. So you can simply tap on the search bar and tap on Facebook support. And as you do that, tap on Help Center. So when you tap on Help Center, it will lead us to a new page. So all you need to do is simply tap on the search help articles and tap on the option of suspended account. So we'll simply search for it and you'll be able to see various options over here. So you can simply tap on my personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled. You get to see different options over here on how you can deal with it. And if that doesn't help you out, you can tap on the no option under was this helpful. Tap on the solution does not work and tap on select. And here you get to detailedly inform the Facebook support team that your account has been suspended or disabled and you'd want to regain it, and then tap on submit, and that's how you can deal with Facebook account page suspended or disabled. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.